He stared at the crumpled bills, the half-empty fridge, the unpaid promises, every excuse, sick days, bad luck, tomorrow, clung to him like a second skin.
If you want to create viral motivational videos and access all of these popular AI voices completely free, then this video is literally made for you. Today, I'm breaking down how to access trending AI voices, how to generate motivational scripts, and how to create visuals using free image and video generation tools. So yeah, let's start the video. All the prompts used in this video are available in the document linked in the description. Just open the file, copy the first prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will instantly generate 50 motivational video topic ideas for you. Choose the one you like the most and note it down. After that, copy the second prompt from the file, paste it into ChatGPT, replace the title section with your selected topic, and boom! ChatGPT will write a complete, polished script for your video. And if you don't vibe with the first version, no stress. Just regenerate it and ChatGPT will give you a fresh one. After you lock your script, the next step is voice generation. For voice generation, I'm using 𝒓𝒐𝒒𝒒 because it literally gives you every type of voice you can imagine, and you can use them however you want. Just open 𝒓𝒑𝒏, log in with a temporary email so you always get new credits, and after logging in, click on AI Voice. Upload your script, click on More Voices, and you'll see hundreds of options. I personally choose one from the motivational category because these are the voices that make videos go viral like crazy. Once you find your perfect voice, just click Generate, and your audio will be ready.
He stared at the crumpled bills, the half-empty fridge, the unpaid promises, every excuse, sick days, bad luck, tomorrow, clung to him like a second skin.
And by the way, if you want to learn even deeper things about AI, feel free to follow my WhatsApp channel where I share non-stop updates on AI tools and tricks. Once the voice is done, the next step is visual generation. For that, go back to the same document, copy the last prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the script section with your own script. ChatGPT will now generate cinematic, detailed prompts for each line of your video. After that, go to Grok. And if you don't know, Grok can generate both images and videos for free, and the quality is absolutely insane. Just take the prompts from ChatGPT, paste them into Grok, hit enter, and it will create stunning images in seconds. Then click on the Make Video option to instantly convert each image into a video clip. I repeat this process for every line of my script, generate all the visuals, and then combine everything inside any editing software to create the final cinematic motivational video. And that's the full process of making a complete motivational AI video from scratch. If this helped you, don't forget to follow and let me know in the comments what topic I should cover in the next video.